Because they would have did that 3 times.
You want to get your bag?
I'm saying, they don't
bag.
require statements when you pay for it. They would have did that 3 times after we done paid for this motherfucker. Over $1,000. Like, what? Man, I know how this shit go. They're not what they're asking for.
These people are upset because their Jeep is being impounded. Their Jeep is being impounded because it was used in a robbery. These people are saying the Jeep was stolen minutes before the robbery occurred, but they didn't have time to report it stolen. The officers are asking to see their rental agreement to prove the vehicle should be returned to them. They think this is an unreasonable request.
What they're asking for would have been provided from the place. This is what y'all want to do is tow the car.
It seems like it should have been provided from the place. So the fact that you don't have it is what's concerning.
You're not giving her a chance to even talk to the motherfucker. You said her name with the car. We just showed you that. Then you talk about
expired.
It. Listen, no, it's not expired. If it was expired, they would have reported the car stolen their damn self.
Not always.
It's not making sense. Like, there's no argument here. Because what you said not making sense. You're not about to tell me we didn't pay for the car and it came with my car. Like, what? You're not about to tell me that.
But you don't have paper.
Yeah, we just showed you the paperwork. That enterprise provides to you when this what they give you the car. This in the email, and they give you the car. That's all they give you.
And they should be giving you an update.
That's what you feel like they should give you. They feel like they gave you that.
Yes.
You understand that's how you
ma'am.
feel. If that's the case, they would have did it
You want that?
three other transactions ago.
The
And the transaction goes to my email. That you
right
your back.
Yes, I'm actually on here.
If you want to tell the car, just say that.
They're telling this is from Enterprise. They're letting you guys know that
why you're towing the car. You got a right point. If you're going to tow the car, say that. Bitch ass. Butter, we're going to get it. Fuck it, let them tow it. That's what they want to do. We can go right and get it. Like, they're not proving shit. The car's not stolen or none of that.
I'm Enterprise or on the phone. Hello? Hello?
Let them tow the car and go get it.
Yes, this is John from Enterprise, right?
What I'm saying is, at this point, we're going to tow the car.
Yeah, the Jeep, right here, the Jeep. Exactly. They're asking me what is going on with the car, and I'm telling them that y'all want to know. And this is what's going on. He's trying to tell you guys that this is for me.
Get a print off. You go to the impound lot.
He's on the phone.
I get it. Listen,
Okay, well,
get the print off and then go to the impound lot. That's it.
End
of story.
Can you send me
End
the
of
print
story.
right now?
There's no conversation. All right, let's get out of here.
That's not what I'm going to do. Y'all should just say that.
Yeah, I'll sit with them.
Okay.
Is it safekeeping?
Yeah, I mean, we don't need it for evidence of anything. So they don't have any paperwork to show that
We just can't properly identify the owner, and if we're not taking it for evidence, say keep it.
And we said we're going to email you that, and you just said go ahead and show it to the impound. That's how easy it is for them to let us get the car off the lot. They send it to the email. Like, they're not giving out papers. Everything is paperless.
Crash?
It got pitted.
But is there like O's?
I don't believe there's an O-lease for a pit because it's a deliberate thing. That's just part of the administrative investigation. But it did jump off the curb and hit this car.
My car get hit.
Your car got hit?
No, my car got hit. The black car.
This one yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Sarge moved it. It was up, parked on the sidewalk, facing this way, just totally side to side with that car.
Okay.
So, what I don't know is has somebody claimed ownership of doing the crash report or not yet, so I'm going to ask and find out.
Or that's your car? Okay. So we'll get your info on that.
How do you know this car was bought from this car? Any picture or anybody else seen that?
When we were here at the beginning,
ones that did it.
we are the ones that moved this car from off of the sidewalk. See that wet puddle on the sidewalk where the radiator drip condensation? This car was sitting there on the sidewalk, and that's why it's all black on the side of that car. And they have pictures of it, and we have pictures of it. 95. Anybody on the
So whoever hit her car and made her run into that car, that's who did it. They don't write the car. Make it do that. So whoever hit this car,
He's trying to send a copy of me renting the car and stuff. He's trying to send a copy. So, like he said he's trying to send a copy and shit. So what's going on now? Because he's right here
Did
on
you
the
hear
phone.
that? He said you're taking care of it.
Luckily, it's not terrible. Might be able to buff it out a little bit.
Yeah, the door's still open, I know that.
Yeah. Looks just paint.
This was a driver.
So what happened? We pitted it like at the corner there, and then they all bailed. They jumped out of the car, but they didn't put it in park. So they took off running. We chased them down, and that car just kind of strolled right up through here.
All just in a regular idle without the gas.
We also got their car switch. First thing that we have to do is get them to crash report.
No matter what.
Hey, sir. Our sergeant just rolled by. He said that we have to do the crash report. I can't really do anything if my sergeant tells me that I have to do it. I understand it, but that's what Is that her name?
Tag, yeah, the dealer tags is my homeboys. I just put them on there because they was giving me the hassle because the tags was out of date.
I don't care.
We ain't putting no tags
Do you
on.
have an actual plate for it?
Yeah, I got the original plate.
If you have that, if she has it or something, could we at least see it so we can we'll just put that on there. I'm not gonna worry about, I'm not digging you up for anything else with it. Alright man, thank you.